Tahoe, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. This time I have iOS 26.1 RC version. This is the last version before the final version. Previously I showed you many beta updates, so this is the final version for the developer before the public release. So RC means release candidate in this case. So I'm gonna do this update to iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can do from iPhone 11 to iPhone 17. If you have some older version of iPhone, you can't do that. iPhone 10 or previous version may not able to install this update. So without any further ado, we have to go to here, the setting option. You can see, go inside setting. In setting, you will see here some notification indication. If you don't see, you can go here directly general. Go inside general. In general, you will see here software update. Go inside. Immediately I can see iOS 26.1 release candidate, 8.39 gigabytes of update. If you don't see that, check here, this button should on automatic update. After that, ISO developer, here iOS developer should be on beta version. If you don't see all this, you have to have an Apple account. So let's go to the Safari to make an Apple developer account. Type here Apple developers. Here the first one you see iOS app developers, not that one, that is ads. Here this one, Apple developers. Go inside. In developers, you have to connect with your Apple ID. You have to make an account with them, and it should be the same account of your phone. I click here, you see account option, click this one. You have to sign in with the same account, with your same Apple account, which one you are using in your phone. If you sign in with another account, it's not gonna work. So put your email address. You see the agreement, you can read if you want. Hit yes here, hit agree. Customize experience and all that. Get started. Skip and finish. I finish all the project. Later you can do an email and all the things. So this is Apple developer is activated. After checking all the things, you have to go back here. You have to do a backup, because if you want to revert and go back from this option, if you don't do backup, you'll have a problem. So go to here at the name of your Apple account. Inside there, you will see iCloud. iCloud normally gives you 5 gigabytes of backup option. If you have more than that data, then you have to purchase 1 terabyte, something as this. So here you see iCloud backup 2 days ago. Click this one and I hit backup now. Hit continue. If you have only some important document data, 5 gigabytes is enough. But if you have a lot of photos and videos, it will take a lot of amount of data. And normally if you don't back up photo or video, 5 gigabytes will be enough. So you have to wait a little bit. Backup is done. Then we go back. And after that, do a pop-up backup and everything. So now everything is done. We are ready. We're gonna hit this button to update. But before that, one more thing, your battery should have full charge. If no, then connect with a power source, because if your phone stops at the middle, it's gonna break your phone. Then you'll have a serious consequences. So after doing all the things, we are here. I'm gonna hit update now. It would ask me the password. After putting password, it will update requested. You would see, let's see, update now, loading. Agreement, because this is one of the final versions, so you have to agree term and condition. Hit agree. In some cases they ask you, in some beta versions, some no. You can see here about 22 minutes remaining. So meanwhile, you can go and grab some tea or coffee, and I'll be back. After starting couple of time, my phone comes to this screen, welcome screen here. I have to slide up. See how beautiful glass finishing here. Slide up. You have to put your passcode. Software update is done. You see here 26.1. Hit continue button. I don't want to share any data analytic things. Don't share. Welcome screen one more time. Get started, not swipe up here. Get started. Click this one. Beautiful. Look almost the same as before, guys. So there should be some fixing here and there. In next video I'm going to talk about which fixing you have. In this case I can go to setting of this one. iOS version, you can see iOS 26.123B82. So I don't use iMessage, so this is the last version before the final version of iOS 26.1. This is RC release candidate. So this is the way you can install latest version of iOS to your iPhone 11 to iPhone 17. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye.